Hi dear students, it is Ishwar from Pathshala Academy. So in the last video we are done about Navodaya solved paper, that is 2020 question paper has been solved, and the mental ability questions has been solved up to 20 questions. Okay, in this video you can observe the remaining questions from 21 to 40, which are the important topics they are given. So how to you have to solve easily in the examination I have done in this chapter. So be careful in while you are writing, and please note down the important points what I will say in the explanation, so you can score in the examination very high. So it is very important for the examination purpose. Okay, so shall we start now? Okay, first one, 21st up to 20 questions is over. Next is part 6. Okay, in the part 6, okay, directions they are given. Okay, in the direction, so from question number 21 to 24, part of the geometrical figures they are given. In that they are given the picture like triangle, square, circles is on the left hand side. So here they are given some pictures. Okay, circle, okay, or triangle, or another one they are given triangle, square, and circle. So here in the question figure, in the right hand side, one of the four answer is in the figure ABCD, right hand side of the right hand side. The figure of the right side completes the geometrical figure and darken the circle in the OMR sheet. Okay, so left side part they are okay removed from the right hand side figure. If you fix this figure inside that, so that it will complete the question figure. So you should complete with the proper answer for the given question figure. You have to search in this answer. So here, which one exactly like this picture, you have to identify exactly, and you have to fix it inside that suddenly, so it will complete the full triangle shape. So which option you have to choose for that? See, this structure it is not possible because here the structure is not like this. Okay, here it is not there. Next, this one it is also not possible because here the place is opened here, but here also place is opened. That's why it should not be fixed inside this. So next one, C. So they are given one like this square shape. Okay, this structure is not present here. Okay, next option, option D. Okay, it is possible because see, option D they are given like this. So you can fix this picture inside this, and next another one picture here. This also you can fix inside that. So the correct answer is option D. So option D is the correct one. Okay. Next question. Question number 22. Okay. Question number 22. In the question number 22, so you can see this is a type of circle. In the type of circle, okay, how many okay, like triangles they are given, so you can keep this one as it is like this. Okay, remaining half part you can fix it here. 1 2 3 4, totally 4 parts are there. Okay, they are from the below line. So here also you have to identify 1 2 3 4 are the means. Here also should be 1 2 3 4 lines want to come, but here only they are given one triangle. Okay, remaining triangle you have to identify. 2, it is not correct. Okay, 3, yes, exactly. So 1 2 3, here already they are given one triangle. Inside this how many triangles you have to fix? 1 2 3, 1 2 3 triangle you have to fix, and at the end of the circle, so they are given dark on the place. Okay, that's why this option B will match to this figure. Okay, you have to fix this option B in the given question figure, so it will get the correct answer. Next, option C is not correct because it is not darkened. 3 boxes are there, but at the end there is no darkened place, and option D also not correct one. Okay, next one you have to go for question number 23. Okay, in the question number 23, it is like a square, but half part there, okay, removed. So the remaining half part you have to identify from the given figure, so that you have to take that and you have to fix inside this. Okay, then the structure will completely, the square will completely fill. That's why you can have to identify this figure we can fix here. No, it is downside. These two figures are going downside. It is not correct. Okay, next option B. Okay, we can see option B. We can take over here and we can fix here. Suddenly it will match the correct exact square. So option B is the correct one, right answer. Next option C and option D we can't fix inside this. So option B is the correct one. Okay. Next 24th. Question number 24. So here it is like a full square, but one part they are removed from this place. So you have to fix the correct picture in the question figure. Which one? This one we can fix? No, because this is left hand side is there, but this one is showing opposite side, that side. Okay, that's why it is also not fixed. This is also not possible. So option C, you can take this piece of the figure and you can fix inside this, so that it will make the perfect complete square. That's why option C is correct answer. Okay, so you should keep this figure and you can fix inside this. Suddenly it will complete the given figure. So 24th is over. Next part 7. In the question number part 7, mirror image. Okay, they are given mirror image from 25 to 28. There is a question figure in the left hand side. So right side they are given the mirror. Okay, while you are solving for the mirror, so you should keep in the mind that, so what will happen in the mirror? So left hand will show right hand, left hand will show right hand will show left hand. But keep in mind that, so upside will not become downside, downside will not become upside. So when you are looking your face inside the mirror, you will not become ulta palta. Okay, your head will not become down and leg will not become upside. Okay, only left hand side will become right hand side will become left hand side. Only this one you should keep in the mind, but you should not supposed to do upside down, downside up. You should not supposed to do only left and right only. You have to think it. So they are given the mirror in the right hand side. Okay, this side they are given the mirror. So what happen? All the figure, what the thing they are given? Left hand side will become right hand side. Right hand side will become left hand side. This one you have to identify. Okay, question figure they are given. So arrow mark is like this now. So this arrow mark will become right hand side. Okay, and next what will happen? Right hand side will become left hand side, and arrow mark also see. This dot will come down side. Okay, this dot arrow mark will come this side. This arrow mark will come go. This arrow mark will go right hand side. This circle will come left hand side. Next here, this arrow mark will go right hand side. This round circle will come left hand side. Where exactly we will identify like the structure in the given option? Where exactly we will identify in the option A itself? So see. So this one will come left hand side, it is came, and arrow mark is going right hand side, and this round mark is coming left hand side, left hand side is came, so arrow mark is going right hand side, arrow mark is going right hand side. That's why option A is the correct one. But remaining these two circles also is there, no, and here also two circles, no. Here this one they made one dark and one open, so that's why that is also not correct. The exact answer is option A. Next one, 26th. Question number 26. In the question number 26, what will happen? So you have to identify the letters. For example, all the letters you already know about that, but how they will reverse also you have to identify. In the mirror, how the letters will become A, B, C, D, A to Z, you have to think how the letters will become left will become right, right will become left. This one you have to think. For example, B we are written now. In the mirror, if you look this B, so suddenly it will become like this B. Like this it will form. That's why every letter you have to identify how the letter will become ulta. Okay, in the mirror, if you see that letter, it will become reverse. Okay, so B will look like this, Okay, next one, 26th. So in the question number 26, you have to reverse it. So how they have to reverse? So they are given B will become ulta now like that. So you have to think for X, and they are given round mark also. in the route mark what they are done. So arrow lines are like a right from right to left they are came here, but it will become ulta in the mirror. Equals will not change anything also, and C also will become ulta. I will write the answer here itself. You have to check how the answer will come there. So x will become right hand side. So right hand side it will come. Next will become circle. That circle and this lines will become cross. That is also reversing. Okay, how they will reverse? Like this. 1, 2, 3. Ulta they will reverse here. Okay, ulta they will become here. So next one equals. There is no change because equals if you reverse means also in the mirror also it will look same, but it will come left hand side, and C will become ulta C. How it will become ulta? Like this. Okay, C. So like this structure you have to identify there. So which option will match for this answer in the mirror? Okay, it is mirror. This should be right here. Where exactly will come there? Which one? Option A, no. Option B, no. Option C, no. Okay, option D. See, look here, option D. In the option D, what we are written? Same answer is coming in the answer D. That's why correct option is option D. While you are answering for the mirror images, you should think left hand side will be left hand. What are the elements are there? They will go to right hand side. Right hand elements will go to left hand side, and A, B, C, D also will become ulta. Okay, that one you have to think. Next to question number 27. Okay, in the question number 27, so they are given letters. Okay, I already told all letters will become reverse, and as well as so left hand side will become right hand side. So I they are given now. So I will go right hand side. I will go right hand side means which option? Only this one and this one. You can look. I will become right hand side. So left hand side is there. So it will go to right side part. So these two options, this and A and option D are not correct because right hand side want to come I. Here K came, and there in the option D N is came. That's why the two options are removed. But in the option I, okay, this is going right hand side it is remained. So here also right hand side. This N how it will become here? When in the mirror image it will looks like this only. Okay, like this it will form. Okay, this structure like this. Which option we have here? So in the option B. That's why option B is correct, but not option C, because so option in the option C N as it is there, but it is not correct. In the mirror if you look N, so it will become reverse here like this, and K also it will form ulta, and it will go left hand side in the mirror. Okay, left hand side in the mirror. So option B is the correct one. Okay, so this is question number 27. Next question number 28. In the question number 28, so what happened? Look, I already told you that. So left part will go right hand part will go left hand part, but never upside will go down, downside will not go upside. It will not happen in the mirror. So that's why they are given the picture like this. See, upside minus is there, downside divided by, but it will not become ulta patta. As it is, it will print in the mirror. Okay, as it is, it will look in the mirror. So here, but into and plus is there now. These two will change. Plus will come this side, into will become that side. So how it will come in the given answer picture? Minus as it is and divided by as it is, because so this one will never change in the mirror. As it is will come, but the plus will go right hand side part will go left hand side will go right hand part. So plus will come here, into will go right side part. Like this picture, where exactly we identify minus divided by. So they are given, see, that's why for confusing they are given divided by minus, because upside is going down, downside is going upside. Not like that. Okay, that is not a correct answer. So these two options are correct. In that which one? So plus C is left side, into is right hand side. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Question number 29. Question number 29. Okay, for the question number 29, once again they are changed. part 8. In the part 8, so they are given the picture. This is folded figures. Okay, this is folded figures. Okay, when the paper they are folded, so when we fold the one square shape or rectangle shape or any type, here they are given one square shape picture. Okay, in the square shape picture, they will fold the given picture. Okay, given paper, and they will draw some picture in the folded picture. When you open that, then what is the structure will form? That one you have to identify in the given picture. Okay, given figure here. So they are given. So this option for their paper they are given like this, full paper. For that paper they are folded one time like this. Next once again they are folded like this. Okay. First part rectangle wise they are folded. Next once again that rectangle they are folded like a square shape. So then what is the structure? For example, like this they are drawn. So one like this structure they are drawn. So like this structure for the one part. Then if you open, then which structure will form in the given figure you have to identify. So exactly which figure will come when you open like this. So this part will fill up. As it is, part will form in the next which way, where exactly it will form. Here also it will form, here also it will form, here also it will form. Like this structure where exactly we will identify. So see this part, like this structure. Okay, in the option A only you will get the given picture. That's why option A is the right one. But this one is plus mark. These three parts are moving separately. These three parts are moving separately. That's why that B, C, D options are wrong. Only option A is the correct one. So when you look after the picture, when we open that picture, when they open that folded figure, suddenly you will identify like this structure. Okay, this one you have to identify. Okay, next part. Next is question number 30. How they are folded? Look. So one square they are taken. They are diagonally they are folded the given paper, and once again diagonally folded figure. Once again they are folded to like a triangle shape. Okay, like this triangle shape they are folded. So what is the structure they are drawn here? Look here, like this structure they are drawn. So for this folded figure, when we open that, what happen? You have to consider. See, this box is opening like this here. Okay, here also it will open, and here also it will open. Like this structure, you have to identify in the given answer figure. Where exactly the answer figure is like that. So you will identify in the this one no, because here two square rectangle is not open. These are rectangles closed. That's why it is also this is also not correct. This one. Here one figure open, here one figure open. Okay, that is correct. But this one not like that. That is also wrong. In the option D, see, option D is correct because here also it is open, here also it is open, here also it is open, here also it is open. That's why option D is the correct one. Okay, so that is right answer. Next, go for question number 31. Question number 31. So once again what they have done, in the rectangle shape they are folded the figure, rectangle shape, once like this they are folded. After that once again they are folded in a square shape. Suddenly they are drawn two zeros. Okay, two zeros here they are folded means if they open like this structure, suddenly it will become 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, 4 small circles. Once again they are opened like this. Here also, here two dots will come, and here also this one will become 4 dots. And here also once again if they are open here, so here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Like this structure you have to identify in the given figure, answer figure. Where exactly you will identify like this structure? So in the option B. So option B is the correct one. Option A, C and D are the not correct answer. Okay. So next one. Next question number 32. In the question number 32, so they are diagonally they are folded. Once again triangle they are folded, so that they are drawn on picture, that one inside small triangle and one small circle they are drawn. So when we are open this one, suddenly here once again we are getting the triangle and circle, once again we are opening, so that inside triangle and a square, once again we are opening, so that you will get like this structure and 0. Okay, one circle, one triangle. So like this structure you are trying to identify the given picture, given answer figure. Where exactly you identify? See, in the option E what they are given, at the center they are given 0 0. It is not matching. But exactly in the option C, so the answer is correctly matching. That's why option C is the correct right one. Okay. Next one. Question number 32 over. Next question number 33. In that once again their part they are changed from 33 to 36. In that question figure what they are given, so on some cut pieces of the papers they are given. Okay, so cut pieces of the paper, so that paper you have to fix it, so that it will form one clear picture. Okay, correctly one answer figure it will form. Where exactly these pieces are there inside the answer figure, you have to search it. Okay, see here two triangles are there and one small triangle, but length is bigger, and another one is big one. Okay, big trapezium you have to identify. So where exactly you identify here? Here 1 2 3 here, but like this structure, this one, these two, no, this one also no, this one also not like that, because it is like a small shape, this is big size. Okay, in the option B, see these are two triangles. Okay, two triangles are there correctly, and another one is extended like triangle, so extended like a triangle this one, and big another one trapezium, another one big trapezium. We are fixed inside that. That's why option B is the correct one. Option C and option D is not matching, because structure is not like a in the question figure. That's why option B is the correct one. Next question number 14. In the question number 34. Question number 34. In the question number 34, what they have done? In the question number 34, okay, so two big triangle and another two rectangles. Here in option B, like this, you have identified two triangle is there, but two square they are given. We don't want two square. Next in option B, two rectangle and two square, two triangle and two rectangle. Two rectangle we are observed in the answer figure in the option B. That's why option B is the right answer. Okay. Option C and option D. So the given cut pieces are not there. Okay, that's why that is not correct. Okay, question number 35. In the question number 35, so what they are given? Look in the question figure. Okay, in the question figure, three big rectangles and one cut pieces of the rectangle. Okay, they are drawn one line for the rectangle. So where exactly you will identify like the structure? So in the option B, see 1 2 3 big rectangle, 1 2 3 big rectangle, and another one and second pieces are there, one and second pieces are present inside the option B. That's why option B is the right answer. Okay, next question number 36. In the question number 36, see like this structure, where exactly to identify the given figure, one square and one like this picture and one rectangle, triangle. Where exactly to identify in the option? This one no, this picture identify. These two are there everywhere, but okay, but like this structure you will identify in the option D itself. That's why option D is the correct one. Okay, see exactly rectangle not this one, square, another one like structure and one triangle. That one you are observed in the option D. That's why option D is the correct one. Okay, next part 10. Okay, it is the last part. So in the part 10, what they have done? So hidden figures. Okay, embedded. Okay, hidden embedded figures you have to identify in the given answer figures. Okay, in the question figure what they have done? So in the question figure one part they are given. This part where exactly you will identify in the given answer figure you have to search it. Okay, so exactly, so this one, this part you will identify where exactly you will identify like this structure. It is hidden inside the given figure, given answer figure. Where exactly it is there? Okay, in the option D. So like this structure, like this structure. See, in the option D, like this, and like this. So option D, the given question figure is present in the option D. That's why it is correct answer. Okay, next. So 38. Question number 38. In the question number 38, what they have done? So like this structure you are going to identify. Okay, where exactly? In that we can't identify. In the C and D also we can't identify like this structure, but in the option B we can see. See, like this options you have to identify this part. Where exactly this is hidden? This part. See, from here to here, from here to here, it is identified. So option B is the correct one. Option B is the correct one. Okay, next. Next one, 38 over 39. Question number 39. Okay, this structure you are going to identify. Where exactly you identify? Here, no. This one, like this, and like this. Small part also we can cut and we can fix it. Okay, this is also possible. This one not possible because like this structure we have, but another part is going inside, but here the part is going outside. That is also not correct. Option D also not correct, but in the option B we can search it here. Look, so like this option, so we can identify and okay, like this structure we can identify and so it will become formed like this. It will form like this structure. So this part is hidden in the option B. That's why correct answer is option B. Okay. Next one. So next one, question number 40. It is the last one. So like this structure, where exactly you will identify? So like this structure. So here like this, and another one part is this semicircle. Circle part also you have to identify. Where exactly here? No, you don't have that. So here, no. Okay, in the option C, we can identify like this structure. See, where exactly it is there? So like this, and here one small hemisphere. Okay, like this structure, it is hidden in the option C. That's why option C is the correct one. Okay, these are the questions they are given. This is embedded or hidden figure you have to identify in the given option. Okay, so who is ready for the examination? They are already prepared for the examination very fastly. Okay, for them like this figures you have to identify and you have to think mentally and correctly you have to answer for the given option. So in the next part, so I will take the remaining mathematics arithmetic part, and for that we will give the solution in the next video. So those who are interested, for them, okay, please like and subscribe for my channel, so that and share for remaining students also, so that next video I will upload shortly. Okay, thank you everyone.